All right, I just finished reading these. So this, it's not a spin-off, it's like a branch of. So there was the Chestnut Springs series, and then this was a branch off of that where it did refer back to characters from Chestnut Springs. It flowed beautifully, absolutely beautifully. I will say spice-wise, very, very, very low on the spiciness, but there was just like a fun romance, love, I need you to breathe type of vibe. It did take me a while to get through the series, but that had nothing to do with the series. It was just life. But it was one of those that just made you happy while you were reading it kind of series. And then now I'm getting ready to read her third series. I do not know if they tie together, but Elsie Silver, I'm loving her books. I just wish there was more spice.